For the last 2 decades, one single number has ruled YouTube, the view count. It was king. Well, the king is dead. In this explainer, we're going to break down the massive shift that happened in 2026, a change so deep it completely rewrites the rules for every single creator on the platform.
So yeah, the view count's 20-year reign, it's over. Done. The new gold standard, the number that controls literally everything now, from your search ranking to your recommendations, is something called the satisfaction score. It's a complete 180-degree turn from quantity to, well, to actual quality.
I mean, we all remember how it worked, right? For as long as YouTube has been around, you had 2 main choices: sort by what was newest, or sort by what had the most raw clicks. The whole system was built to reward whatever was fresh and whatever went viral. It's the interface we all learned to play.
But look at this now. It's not just some small update. This is YouTube sending a huge message. Getting rid of sort by date and changing sort by view count to something vague like popularity, that tells you everything you need to know. The algorithm doesn't care when you posted anymore. It only cares about how your viewers felt after they watched.
Okay, so that leads us to the big question, right? How in the world can a machine, just a bunch of code, measure a human feeling like satisfaction? Well, it turns out it's a score made up of a few really smart data points. Let's break it down.
So first and foremost is something YouTube calls explicit feedback. You've probably seen this. After you watch a video, millions of people now get this super simple survey that just asks, was this video worth your time? It's a yes or a no. That's it. The algorithm is literally just asking your audience to give you a grade. It's that direct.
Next up is session continuation. And this is where it gets really interesting. It's not just about how long people watch your video anymore. The algorithm is now asking, did your video make someone want to watch another video on YouTube? It doesn't even have to be one of yours. If you keep people on the platform, your satisfaction score goes through the roof. You're getting rewarded for helping the whole YouTube ecosystem. And of course, there's the other side of the coin. The algorithm is actively hunting for what it calls disappointment signals. So if a ton of people click on your video and then leave in the first 30 seconds, that's no longer just a low retention number in your analytics, it's a penalty. The AI sees that as you making a promise with your title and thumbnail that your video just didn't keep. So you have to understand, the math has completely flipped. Just look at this. A video that only gets 1,000 views but has an amazing 90% worth it rating from those surveys, that video is now seen as more valuable by the algorithm than some viral hit that got 100,000 views but left everyone feeling kind of meh. A small, super happy audience beats a huge, indifferent one every single time.
So if just getting a ton of views and subscribers doesn't guarantee you'll get recommended anymore, how does a smaller channel even have a chance to break through? The answer is the single most important strategy on the platform now. It's called the Momentum Multiplier. This is the new playbook.
And here's exactly how you do it. It's a 3-step dance. 48 hours before you post your big video, you prime the audience with a community poll about the topic. Then, 24 hours before, you warm up the algorithm with a related short. Then, when you finally launch the main video, the AI already knows about this small, pre-approved group of people who are super engaged and ready to watch.
The result is, frankly, incredible. The algorithm serves your new video to that small, highly engaged, satisfied cluster first. And because you've already warmed them up, they're going to love it. When the AI sees those amazing satisfaction signals, it triggers the multiplier, and boom, it pushes your video out to a massive audience that looks just like them. You're turning a tiny spark into a bonfire.
This right here is the main takeaway for any creator trying to grow now. The game isn't about having the biggest subscriber number anymore. It's about building a core group of people, a satisfied cluster who genuinely love what you do. That little group is your new secret weapon.
You know, this isn't just about new tactics. It's a whole new philosophy. The 2026 algorithm is forcing all of us to think about our jobs differently. We're not just content creators anymore. We're more like experience architects.
For years, we operated in an attention economy. The only goal was to grab a click to get someone's attention for a second. But now, we've moved into a value economy. The goal now is to actually honor the viewer's time, to leave them feeling like they got something truly valuable. It's just a better way to think, isn't it?
Some people have started calling the new algorithm a truth engine, and I love that. It's designed to see past all the hype, to ignore the clickbait, and to find the real signal in all the noise. Its one and only job is to find and reward content that is genuinely helpful and deeply valuable. You know, for so long, the mantra was, just be consistent. Post every Tuesday no matter what. Well, that's not the advice anymore. In this new value economy, the mantra is much simpler. Quality is the new consistency. One fantastic, high-satisfaction video is worth way more than a whole month of just okay uploads.
So, as we wrap this up, it all comes down to one question. A question every creator has to ask themselves now. When you're planning your next video, when you're writing that script, you have to ask, am I chasing views or am I honoring time? In 2026, the answer to that question, well, it changes everything.